Hi, this is Julie from FemmeMecanique Designs. Today, I want to show you the project that I'm currently working on. It's gonna be two pendants similar to what I'm wearing, but instead of being in silver, it's gonna be in gold. I'm gonna show you the steps that I took in order to make that. And now I'm gonna start slicing some agates. So she brought me a few different agates from Mont Lyell that she had in her possession for many years, and now she wants to make pendants with it, and one is going to be for her and one is going to be to gift to someone in her family. Here is agate number one. They are thunder eggs. Isn't it nice? It's really incredible. What we talked about was to make a pendant that was all blue but with the horizontal lines, so it's gonna be really pretty. The second one here, this one has amethyst. So she wants to have something also that is all amethyst, because she doesn't want to have any of the rhyolite here. So I have to cut everything in here. I have a 12-inch saw, and it's not gonna work on this side, but I can cut this side first. I made a silicone mold of one that I made with an open back. I made one in silver first, and I cut out the back to make it lighter, so it's not too heavy and it's not gonna cost too much, because gold is now really expensive. This one is gonna be with a bail, but I wanted to leave it like this. It's easier to cast, and then I'm just gonna solder a bail here, so I'm gonna have two of these, and it's fun because you're gonna see the back of it. Whee! I also have a lot of geodes from Mont Lyell from 2 years ago. But this one is from Tuzo, probably because it has a lot of blue. I have some that have blue-black. It's really nice. So we're not gonna talk about that today, but I just wanted to show you. And I also have some with a little bit of kind of lavender amethyst, but hers are really nice. So this is my rock cave. I'm gonna be well organized here with beautiful rocks, and yeah, I have way more all over, like more geodes, more mini rocks are gonna be here. And this is the saw that I'm gonna be working on to slab these two beautiful geodes. Let's start with this big beautiful agate. Okay. That's a nice one. I think I'm gonna work with this one. Really nice. So what I have to do for this one is a pendant with only the purple, and I was afraid it would fall because it's all like little chunks of quartz, but I think it may hold. So it's nice. And if it doesn't work, here I have more. Is I put everything here in the kitty litter. What I particularly enjoyed about these was the contrast of the color of the stone with the gold. I find it super beautiful. The project is done. I'm so pleased with the result. She ended up having 2 of them with amethyst, because when I saw the amethyst stone, I showed it to her alongside the other stone and she preferred the amethyst. So I kept the 2 little blue ones and I gave her all her rocks back in case she wants to do something in the future with them. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, put a thumbs up and comment, share it, and you can subscribe. It's free. I'm gonna try to post more content like this, and if ever you want to have something custom made, I'm always open to projects, so you can reach out on social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm there, FemmeMecanique Designs. See you on another video. Bye bye from Montreal.